Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be first unboxing my new air fryer, and then I'm going to be using it. I have never owned or used an air fryer, so this was definitely a fun experience. So this is the WEESTA air fryer, and I got it from Amazon. This is a 5-in-1 countertop convection oven. Not only can you air fry with this, you can air roast, toast, broil, and bake. So another cool thing about this air fryer is you don't have to flip your food, and you don't have to preheat this either. It has a timer, it has the temperature control, and then it also has the options on the little knob that you just turn for broiling, air roasting, air frying, toasting, baking, all that fun stuff. So this is what it looks like, and it does come in 3 different colors. So I got the gray, but it also comes in white and silver. So honestly, since I never used one of these before, I was kind of nervous. So you guys are gonna laugh at me, but the first thing I made in my air fryer was a piece of toast. Which I know is hilarious, but y'all know I love my toast, so I wanted to see if this air fryer could make me a piece of toast. And to my surprise, it made me a perfect piece of toast, as you can see here. On one side, I put some avocado and everything bagel seasoning, and on the other side, I just had plain butter. So then, since it does have a baking option, I wanted to bake some cookies in it to see how those would turn out. So I'm making some peanut butter oatmeal cookies, and these are the ingredients. I'm just using some all-natural peanut butter, some old-fashioned oats, some sugar, and an egg. These are really easy to make, and they turned out delicious. So I'm using a ½ cup of oats. The recipe calls for a ½ cup of sugar, but I didn't want to put a whole ½ cup of sugar, so I just kind of put some sugar in the ½ cup measuring cup and added that in. And then I'm adding a whole cup of peanut butter. You can use any kind of nut butter you want with this recipe, but I chose the all-natural peanut butter. Then you crack an egg in there and mix it up, and it looks really gross, but just keep mixing. This ingredient was not even called for, but I wanted to try it in here, so I added a little bit of my Teamy protein powder. So then you just mix the mixture together, you roll it in a little ball, flatten it with a fork, and well, I put it in my air fryer with the baking option, but yeah, you just pop them in the oven or whatever you're gonna use to make your cookies. I absolutely love this recipe. It's so simple and it's really a no-brainer, and they taste so good. But honestly, I absolutely love that this air fryer has the baking option. I just think that's so cool. So then I randomly decided to make some popcorn chicken. So these are frozen popcorn chickens, And I just wanted to try it in the air fryer to see if it would be different than how I would normally make it, which is in the microwave. I know a lot of people do this kind of stuff in the oven, but I use the microwave because sometimes I'm lazy. But anyways, these actually turned out so good in the air fryer. They was super crispy and just delicious. So I made these like Hooters sauce popcorn chicken. So you just take the popcorn chicken and put it in a little Tupperware, put some of your Hooters wing sauce, shake it up, shake and bake, honey. And yeah, then I added a little ranch dipping sauce, and these turned out awesome. So I found out that my air fryer made really good toast and really good cookies and really good popcorn chicken, but I wanted to try my air fryer with some raw meat. So now I'm going to be cooking some fish. Not only am I making fish in my air fryer, but I'm also going to be air frying some broccoli. So this is cod fish, and it's really easy to make. So I just season it with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder on both sides. And then we got some of this Kroger store brand marinade, and it's lemon flavored. So I marinated the fish for 30 minutes in the marinade. I didn't completely soak them in the marinade. I just kind of poured it on there and brushed it on there so it wouldn't be like too much of the marinade on the fish. But yeah. I'm also going to be adding some fresh parsley on top and some lemon slices. So while my fish is marinating in the lemon pepper marinade, I'm going to get my broccoli ready. So I got some raw broccoli. All you got to do is drizzle some olive oil on them, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and then I throw them in the air fryer. The broccoli turned out so good. I wish I would have made more than what I did because the broccoli was delicious. All of the food I made tonight turned out delicious, but the broccoli was the bomb.com. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make some garlic butter for my noodles. I'm just taking a bunch of butter. I'm gonna melt it a little bit in the microwave. I'm adding some salt, some minced garlic, and some lemon juice and some garlic powder, and I'm just going to mix that all together, and that's going to be for my pasta that you will be seeing in just a little bit. I also added a little bit of that fresh parsley to my garlic butter. So for the broccoli, I did it at 375 for like 8 minutes, and I used the air fryer option for that. And then for the fish, I did 370, and I did that for about 15 minutes. So yeah, this air fryer is actually amazing. I'm so glad I got it and decided to give it a try. I think it worked really well, and my food turned out perfect. So now the last thing I'm making here is my noodles. So I just use angel hair pasta. I'm throwing in some of that garlic butter I made. I'm also going to be adding in some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of olive oil. And voila, here is my little air fried meal. Got some fish, got some broccoli, got some noodles. This really turned out delicious, and I can't wait to make more food in my air fryer. So if you own an air fryer, I would love to know what is your most favorite thing to make in your air fryer. And if you don't have one, you should totally try one. So now it's time to clean up my mess. I didn't film me cleaning the entire kitchen because I just didn't feel like it, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie to you, girl. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear from you, so leave me some comments down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.